a party in the mall. Oh, what? Okay. So, you know the first Pretty Days? If you have watched that, I will put a link to it. I don't know why, but I will. So, the first video I ever made was me singing a video of a song Adele's is. I think it was Rolling in the Deep. A lot of, like, people, like my friends who know that I have, YouTube account, they say that they couldn't hear me, so I'm gonna make a new one. Let's get started. Okay, so, let's do this. What am I gonna sing? I don't know what to sing. Oh, I know, American Honey, but, right, he has a poem, American Honey. Okay, listening close. She grew up on the side of the road, where the church bells ring, strong love grows. She grew up good, she grew up strong, like American honey, steady as a preacher, free as a bird. Couldn't be to get going, but wasn't quite ready to leave. I just want to go back in time to American. That's all I know from it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna sing another one so you can hear. This is a song that my mom used to sing to me when I was little, so I think it's called Lady in Red. Lady in Red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. Nobody here, it's just you and me. That's where I wanna be. I hardly know this notebook by my side. I'll never forget the way it says tonight. Yeah, that was a parody of it, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, subscribe, comment, like, share. Tell me how I did, and just request more videos. Okay, bye guys. I love every one of you. Okay.